How serious was the drone swarm near Moscow that prompted Zelenskyy's pledge? This unexpected aerial attack revealed new dimensions of modern warfare, shaking global security assumptions. The drone swarm near Moscow was a significant event because it represented a bold and unprecedented strike deep into Russian territory. Reports indicated dozens of drones, some armed, flew near key government and military sites. This showed that the attackers could bypass traditional defenses and threaten even the most secure locations. The swarm wasn't just a minor nuisance. It forced Russia to scramble air defenses and revealed vulnerabilities in their security apparatus. This incident marked a new chapter in drone warfare by demonstrating the ability to conduct complex, coordinated attacks at a strategic level. Zelenskyy's pledge following the drone swarm signaled Ukraine's commitment to intensify its defense and offense capabilities. By promising to respond, he was not only addressing the swarm incident, but also warning that Ukraine would continue to develop advanced drone tactics and other technologies. This pledge was a strong political and military statement showing that Ukraine is adapting to modern warfare challenges. It also served as a morale boost for supporters, emphasizing that Ukraine would not back down, but instead escalate its efforts to counter Russian aggression. The drone swarm attack near Moscow had ripple effects beyond just the Russia-Ukraine conflict. It alerted global military powers to the rising threat posed by drone swarms, which are relatively low-cost, yet highly effective. This incident demonstrated how drone technology can bypass conventional air defenses, making previously secure capitals vulnerable. Countries worldwide are now reassessing their air security and investing heavily in counter-drone systems. The swarm's success also underscores the growing role of unmanned systems in future warfare, potentially changing how conflicts are fought from now on. The drone swarm near Moscow was far more than a simple attack. It exposed new vulnerabilities and pushed Ukraine to escalate its military innovation. This incident signals a future where drone warfare will play a critical role in conflicts worldwide. For more surprising answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe and join us daily here on Daily Q&A.